Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2775th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. And traders, what I'm here to tell you is this. My sincere apologies for last night's video. I was so wrong on everything I pointed you towards in that video last night. The analysis was completely incorrect, and my apologies to you. I will try to get it much better. I'll try to get it right tonight. You know, I can't get this right every day. I'm a day trader, but my apologies. That was just garbage information I put out in last night's video. Let me explain. Let me see if I could show you what that means. The only way that I think I could do that, though, is to turn off this camera. So let me see if I could do that. Well, I can't turn off the camera, so we'll just let it be. I'll try to position it somewhere where it doesn't bother us. All right, so traders, last night we pointed to a double top, and I showed you that nothing stopped for its double top, right? Russell didn't stop for it, no respect at all, right? The Dow Jones Industrial didn't stop for it, no respect at all. Well, the transportation average stopped for it. First thing that was wrong yesterday. Let's go look at something else. I think we were here. Okay, I also pointed you towards NASDAQ, and I said, look, this support line is pretty appetizing, right? It always seems to be in the right spot. The market bounces off it each time. We were here. This is what happened. How much wrong could I be? I'm sorry, kids. That is what happened. Just horrible, right? What else did we look at? In last night's video, we looked at gold. Gold stopped, and that's that. OMNI reversed the signal, pause. Gold did not go higher. I also pointed you towards silver. And I said, we're in a bull flag, and that looks like it wants to catch up to gold, and that dropped all day. Through the bottom of the flag. Wrong, wrong, wrong. I was just wrong. Sorry, kids. The analysis did not pan out. But now let's go take a look at what should happen, most likely, for trading on Thursday. Let's go back to NASDAQ. You see what NASDAQ did here? Well, my OMNI is pointing down red in just about every indice, meaning sell the rallies. NASDAQ did this at this wonderful support line. So this is no longer an appetizing support line. Now, right? No longer an appetizing support line. So we'll strike that out. But this happened to the NASDAQ. Now, what should we do for trading S&P tomorrow? Well, we are here. Let's just go back to the NASDAQ, take another quick look at that. That was 7. We are here before this day happened. We were here. I showed you that in last night's video. Well, the end result, as you just seen, was this. Well, now if we go to S&P, we are here. I'd be very careful getting long the S&P. In fact, don't get long the S&P unless you got big kahunas and it drops a lot. We've got a sell signal from OMNI for trading S&P. What's interesting now is that Russell, NASDAQ, S&P, all heading down. Transportation average are all heading down. But look at this guy. This one is still going up. It's the only one left still going up. It paid no respect to the double top, just like Russ, and it's still going up. This is the close on Wednesday afternoon. So this is the only one left not pushing us down. I've got sell signals in S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell, and we will likely react to those for trading on Thursday. And then finally, there was this. Nope, there was this. 18, Bitcoin. We talked about, will Bitcoin go through the highs when it finally gets there? Finally, will it make its way through? There's been a lot of knocks, right? Knock on the door, knock on the door, knock on the door, knock, knock, knock on the door. What will happen when it gets up here and it knocks on that door? Your question, well, the question to you was, A, will it go through when it gets up there? Answer below. Or B, will it fail once again at resistance and head back down? We're not there yet. This is the only thing out of the video from last night that's undecided, right? We won't know till we get all the way up here. So please answer now, answer below. I have been tallying your answers from the last video. I'll tally them with this video. But let me know what you think. Answer below. Is it A? we're going to blast through, knock, 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 finally go? Or B, will it fail once again at resistance? Please answer below. Please look back at this video and look at what I just showed you between NASDAQ and S&P. A little bit scary there. Be careful if you're going to get long S&P. Traders, thank you for tuning in. My apologies once again for the horrible analysis last night. I'm usually pretty good. Omni's pretty good, but that was just bad analysis. All right, traders, thank you for tuning in. Love you guys. Please like and share these videos all over the internet. Join me in my free trading room at livewithoscar.com. And remember to keep your emotions out of trading. Come on, you guys know what I'm going to say by now. Say it with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thank you so much for tuning in. My apologies. I will not do it again tonight. And I will see you all at Live with Oscar.